Hello. Welcome back to Cysylltiedig. We'll take over from the machine service. Hope you're all keeping well. We'll start the session as we start every session. Quick house rules. So we operate this platform in the same way as with any other youth club, any other youth provision that we'd ordinarily be holding in Denbighshire, but obviously we can't at the moment because of the lockdown. How long we can. So yeah, it's all just about respecting each other, respecting the platform, respecting each other's comments, staying safe online as well. Particularly, prominent for this service is, don't share too much personal information. So please don't tell me your locations or things about your family members, or if you want to speak about anybody else, please don't use their names and their locations as well. Try and keep it as generic as we can for the safety of everybody, right? Nothing in Gymraeg here. Dyma sesiwn yma I gyd yn ddwyieithog. Groeso chi gyda neges i'r yn Gymraeg neu yn Saesneg, a na I gyfieithu nhw gyda nhw'n dod allan. So pawb wedi cymryd rhan. So yeah, note to Welsh language. So these sessions are fully bilingual. Please do send your messages in either Welsh or English. I will translate them, send them back so everybody can take part. And talking about taking part, it's about staying connected. So yeah, please keep sharing this platform to as many people as you can. If there's other young people out there who you think would benefit from taking part in these online youth clubs, that we've got these digital youth clubs, these connected sessions, then share away. Hello, Gaz. So we've got a new one on today. Hello, Gaz. How's it going? Hello, Wills and everyone. Well, hello, Gaz. How are you? And Matthew and Gemma and LEW. Hello, LEW. How's it going? Right. That's the first bit out the way. Seeing you're all connected in. Say hello. Good. Brilliant. Quickly need to tell you something. Yesterday's show. Thanks everybody who took part in yesterday's show. Have you all started practicing your skills? Amanda came on yesterday, was part of our Meet the Team Monday. Amanda came on, who ordinarily works in the south of the county, and she set a challenge, a weekly challenge for us all. Oh, hi, Mikey, Elio, how's it going? How are you all getting on? Have you thought about your challenges? Have you started practicing them? I'd love to know. So do let me know in the comment section if you have. And if you're struggling to think of a skill, well, perhaps this is the platform to say, I'm struggling to think of a skill, and somebody might be able to help you. Something else I should point out. I told you that you've got until Friday to learn this new skill, but as been pointed out to me, I don't know where I am at the moment. We have no session on Friday because it's bank holiday. So that session will be Thursday. So you need to get your skills, videos and clips and things sent to me by Thursday, not Friday, because that's when that'll be happening. Is this optional? It is absolutely optional. Please do take part if you want to. If you don't want to take part, that's absolutely fine. No problem. Oh, hello, Kelly. How's it going? Good evening to you too. Good evening, Kelly. Good evening to you too. No, who's that? Matthew said, is it optional? Yes, Matthew, is absolutely optional. I'd love it if you guys would have a go. But if you haven't got the time or you've got to think, fair enough, don't you worry about it whatsoever. Youth workers, note to you, whichever youth workers from Denbighshire are watching this now, it is not optional. You need to be learning a new skill by Thursday and filming it and sending it to me. Right. And I think that's it. That's the admin out the way. And we did that in under 3.5 minutes. So that's good. We can crack on with today's session, which is my favourite. Hold on. Tea and a chat. So, hold on. Those of you who are new with us this evening, every Tuesday, what we do is, because one of the things I like to do in my ordinary open access youth club sessions is we have like these decompression times. So we have a cup of tea, we go sit in the corner, and we just have a general chat about life and things that have been going on. We have a nice cup of tea, a nice biscuit, and it's just a chance to have a bit of a moider and a bit of a catch-up. We've been doing these every Tuesday, and they've been going really well, I think. However, as I said to you on yesterday's session, we're doing Tea Tuesday with a twist today. And the twist is, what I've noticed is, we have... lockdown's been going on now for, what are we on, week 6, 7? I lose count. And we're all still in the confines of our own homes with our family members, and possibly people are running out of things to talk about. If this is the case, if you are running out of things to talk about, so what I thought I'd do, please put in the comment section, pointing over there, that's my comment section. When I'm pointing over there, you're not seeing a comment section, are you? I am. It's there. There's my comment section. Maybe I should be doing this. That's where your comment section is, isn't it? Right, so yeah, I'm going to do a session with you. Now, this is a session that I've kind of adapted for this. So it's tea in a chat, but tea in a chat with a directive, right? So I have got and this is a session now that you can take and do with your family members or whoever you're at home in lockdown with. Perhaps you can do this as conversational starters. So that was what I was thinking of doing today. You will require 1 bag of Skittles. Other multicolored sweet brands are available. I just happen to prefer Skittles. So it's simple, really. There's 5 colours in a bag of Skittles. If you're using other multicolored sweet brands, then you need to find out what kind of colours they've got in that. So in Skittles, we've got red, orange, green, yellow, and purple. Purple is my particular favourite. And what you do is with whoever you're in lockdown with, you get a bag of Skittles and everybody dips their hand in and they pull something out. They pull something out. They pull a Skittle out. When they've got their Skittles, say I pull out a red. Yes. No offense, but I prefer M&Ms. Matthew, don't worry about it. M&Ms work just the same. There's plenty of colours in M&Ms. I think there's 5 colours in M&Ms as well. So you take your Skittles or your M&Ms, you put them on a table, get ready to sit around. You assign a topic to each colour. And then you take in your turn. So I would go in and pull out a red. And then the red for me is I need to say something that I'm passionate about. You can change the topics to each colours to suit whatever you want. So you might say orange, list your top 5 films. Yellow, what's your favourite ever song? Purple, where was the best place you ever went on holiday? Whatever the topics may be, and then you just go around. It's a really good idea. It's conversational starters. So something that we sometimes do in my youth clubs, we use Skittles for all kinds of different reasons, but this is one good reason to do it. So with that in mind, you have to do that with Skittles as well. With that in mind, why don't we start the game? Let's see what colour we've got. So I'll pull them out, and I'm inviting you to give me your answers, okay? And I've got my pre-decided topics here. So my first one is, it's red. Right, and red is, but red, I've already said this. Fun fact, Wills. Fun fact. All Skittles are the same flavour. We just think they're different because of the colour association. That's not true. Purple are my favourite. Is that a fact? Well, I'll tell you by the end of the session if that's a fact, because I'm planning on eating all of these. Fun fact. Leo's fun fact of the day, that apparently all Skittles are the same flavours, but we just think they're different because of the colour association. What does that say about me then? Purple's my favourite. I know why purple's my favourite. I'm on brand. That's why purple's my favourite. I'm on brand, you see. Hey, Dempsey Youth Service. Right. Red, something that you're passionate about. So in the comment section, you guys who are watching, tell me the things that you're passionate about. What are you passionate about? In the meantime, while I'm waiting for your comments, I'll tell you what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about music. It's a purple one too. I'm passionate about music. I love all music. I love playing music. I love live music. I love watching it. I like finding new music. I like listening to everything to do with music. I love music. Let's see. Here we go. We're going in straight away. Mikey says football and Prestatyn Town. Never heard of them. Prestatyn Town FC. Is that a football team? Never heard of them. Whatever gets you going. Morgan said editing. That's a good one. Film editing. Yeah, we know you are. Here we go. Gemma straight in there. Youth Council. Yeah, Dempsey Youth Council. Well done, Gemma. Music and netball. Good one. So hold on, we got those in now. That means I get to eat that one. Have you all got your cups of tea ready as well? Because there's tea in chat. Hold on. Elio, can I just say, I think you're wrong, because that tasted like a red one. Matthew says, fun fact. Here we go. We know that the orange Smarties taste like orange, but did you know that the brown Smarties at one time tasted like coffee? No. Is that a fact? That's a great fact. Wills, it's a milkshake tonight. Yeah, that's fine. Tea Tuesdays, any drink you want. I just happen to prefer tea. You can have milkshakes, orange juice, whatever you want. Whatever. just whatever. You sit down comfortably with a nice drink, put your feet up, hold your phone or your device or your tablet, and play the game. Oh, Matthew's passion is Minecraft, YouTube, and Xbox. Nice. Matthew's asked me to search up the fact about the Smarties. I will. I love coffee-flavoured sweets. I know most people don't. In fact, I buy Revels so that I can have the coffee ones. And I know most people, they don't like the coffee ones, but send them my way. I love them. Right, next one. If I choose red, I'll skip it. Oh, what did I say? It's the purple one. Okay, so next topic, purple. I'll have all the Xboxes. Yeah, you will. Standard music and films, says Gaz. Those are your passions, right, Gaz? Right, well, we moved on now, Gaz. We're on purple. And purple is, if you could go anywhere now, anywhere, right now, obviously, if lockdown measures were lifted, if you could go anywhere, where would you go and why? Where would you go and why? You know where I'd go? While I eat my purple sweetie. Delicious. I would go to Greece. That's where I'd go. If I could go anywhere in the world right now, I'd go to Greece because I love the country, I love the culture, I love the food. Oh, anywhere in the world, Morgan, straight in, jerk McDonald's. Yes, well done, Morgan. Elio says she's been a bit more ambitious. Jerk McDonald's. Jerk one though. None of the other ones. Diane Morgan. Elio said Italy, France, or the Northern Lights. Oh yeah, that would be wicked. To be educated. Oh, the Northern Lights would be wicked. Yeah, I'd love to see those right now. Gaz is on Egypt to see the pyramids. Absolutely, Gaz. If you're missing the site of the pyramids, if you are, you can do the virtual tours at the moment. They're all over the internet. Search them out. Not just Egypt and the pyramids. Loads of different destinations are doing them. If you are lucky enough to have VR headsets, then you can virtually visit them, but you can do them on your phone and on your laptop and computer as well. And you could do like a virtual tour around. So yeah, guys, I'd check that out if you're missing Egypt. Matthew, I would love to live in Orlando. Oh yeah, for sure. Hot climate, massive rides. I love a massive ride. I do. Brilliant. Gemma, Venice, Paris, or New York? Oh yeah, New York. I forgot about New York. I still would go Greece though. Matthew, the reason for Orlando is obvious. It is obvious. Absolutely, it is obvious. Oh, cool. Oh, yes. Oh, look, I'm loving all your destinations. Me too, Matthew, says Kelly. She would go to Orlando as well. Oh, Orlando. I haven't been to Orlando in about 20 years. I'd love to go back. I haven't been to Chirk McDonald's in about 3 months. I think that's a bit more realistic at the moment. Just got to, wait in a queue for 3 hours. Oh my God. Okay, that was purple. Oh, these are going well. So do you see the concept of the game now? You could easily adapt this home and you could change what the colours are associated to suit your own conversational needs. Good thing to do at home to reconnect with your family and start conversations. If you're running out of things to do, running out of things to talk about. I went to Orlando when I was 7 and 8. Oh, lucky you, Matthew. Lucky you. Right, okay. We're going for the next colour now. Are we ready? Orange. Right, orange. What is orange? Oh, okay. Hold on. Got to eat it, haven't I? Here's orange. New topic now. Orange. Orange is, what are your new discoveries during this lockdown period? What things have you found? What new things have you found? Whether they be new groups, new music, new films, new things to do, new things about yourself that you're happy to share, mind. So new discoveries during this period. Looking for positives, really. What new discoveries have I found? I have found new discoveries that I'm exceptionally talented at delivering live YouTube youth work sessions. Well, that's a new discovery for me anyway. You might obviously completely disagree. But, so we're straight in. Gas has discovered his new discovery is that he has a brain. Oh, well done, Gas. Elio has discovered new running routes. Yeah, isn't it mad? Oh, in fact, that could be one of my discoveries as well. I've been taking different walking routes to try and break up my 1 hour allotted daily exercise. And I've been opening my eyes more when on these routes and seeing things that I've never seen before. I've mentioned it on previous sessions that I could live off blueberry muffins. This is Gemma's suggestion. One of her new discoveries is that she can actually live off blueberry muffins and milkshake, though, Gemma, I should say. I've seen you little lambs, Zelio. I've seen you little lambs, which is nice. It is nice. It's mad, isn't it? Because you usually would probably walk past and not, your head isn't moving around going, oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? I feel like a child sometimes walking around getting so excited. Yeah, oh, cool. Oh, brilliant. New discoveries. Keep them coming. New gaming routines. What? Okay. Morgan, elaborate. What do you mean? You're one of your new discoveries is new gaming routines. What do you mean by that? Let me know though in the comment section, and I'll hopefully get it. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? I mean, obviously it's been really, really difficult. It's a tough time for everybody at the moment. Oh, bear with me a second. It's a tough time for everybody at the moment going through this lockdown. And we've all had to make sacrifices, but all for the greater good, which I know you are all fully aware of. But it has given us time to have a little bit of inner reflection time and time to sort of discover our own minds for the greater or the good. So yeah, and all these things are brilliant. Oh, hold on. It's all coming in now. And that my dad rages more than me at Mario Kart. That's another one that Gemma has discovered. Yeah. And of my age, we tend to rage more at Mario Kart. It's kind of a thing. On a game, finding ways to think. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. Morgan's cleared up what he meant. So he's had more time to play these games and find quicker routes to things and what have you. That makes more sense. So gaming, you discovered reconnection and passion with gaming. Right, let's get another colour. Let's get another one. Beautiful walks is Kelly's suggestion. That's a great one, Kelly. Beautiful walks. Right, okay. If I get the same colour that we've already had, I'll just eat it. Have we had orange? Yeah. Have we had yellow? No. Okay. Yellow. Oh, here's a good one for you. Because it's yellow. And yeah, oh, look at me being on brand again. Yellow matches up. Woohoo. Yellow. There we go. What has made you happy this week? What's made you happy this week? Nice and simple. What made me happy this week? While you're thinking about what's made you happy, I'll tell you what's made me happy. What's made me happy this week was being out in the garden in this beautiful weather. I'm very lucky that I'm lucky enough to have a garden here, and I've had time to play in the garden. So that's made me very, very happy this week, that the rain eased off for enough for me to play in the garden. Morgan says, watching your streams. Oh, Morgan. Oh, is that another one of your McDonald's Chirk jokes? Morgan, thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying these sessions, actually. That would be an indication that you are. The baby lambs, that made her happy, says Ellie. Oh, well, of course, that's going to make you happy, baby lambs. Us failing to set up a Zoom meeting. Yeah, well, as we all move into a digital way of working, digital way of being, we're trying to learn and work out how to use these new technologies. And I know that some of our members of the Youth Council have been trying to get together and facilitate Zoom meetings between themselves. And I know they've been having technical issues. But no, persevere, because when you get it working, it's a great way to stay connected. It's nice to speak to people on the phone and speak to people by text, but it's much, much better if you can see people's faces and get that face-to-face interaction. So yeah, keep persevering on getting your Zoom meetings up and going. No, that was awful, says Morgan. I know it's quite stressful, isn't it? But once you crack it, it's easy. And I know you guys have got the technical ability to do it. Kelly Matsushok, nice and simple here. What's made her happy? The sunshine. Oh, Kelly, what you like? Yeah, it has. It made me happy as well. Right, let's get another colour. Remember, if I get the colour that we've had before, what are we looking for now? We've had orange, haven't we? Yeah, we had orange. Have we had yellow? Yeah, we've had yellow. See how good this game is. Have you had? Yeah, we've had red. Elio, you're right. They all taste the same. I'm not going to be able to speak in a minute. Right, come on. We haven't had green. Right. Green. Now, you can change these topics, but I thought green right in your like worlds now at home, what have you got to be thankful of? So there's a lot of negativity floating around, understandably, a lot of tensions, a lot of stress. We talk a lot about this on Wellbeing Wednesdays. But if you stop and pause for thoughts, pause for reflection, what have you got to be thankful of during this time? Me personally, I'm in a fantastic position. I'm at home with the people that I love. Morgan says friendship. Kelly says bumping into a youth club member made me smile. Oh yeah, it's nice, isn't it? And we forget how much we're missing people. So obviously you were keeping 2 meters apart. So, but it's nice to see friends, isn't it? Hey, how's it going? That's great. Thankful for so much. My family and my dogs. Oh, you know what? I wish I had a dog. Now I don't have a dog, I'm afraid. But animals are amazing. Really therapeutic as well. Having an animal around the house. Does my 6-year-old son count? Yeah, so green was what have you got to be thankful of? So we've got family, friends, dogs, bumping into friends, brilliant. Friendship in general, absolutely. Oh, do you know what? This is great. Are we missing a colour? I think we did them all. Did we do them all? Oh, hold on, guys. Community. I think we can all see how the country has got together through this tough time. Absolutely. Look for the positives, guys. When everybody's filling you with negativity, we have a personal duty to our well-being to look for the positives. So yeah, community, the rebuilding and the re-strengthening of communities has been a massive benefit and something to be massively thankful of. Good comment. I like that. Oh, Jo says, hi guys. Sorry, I'm really late. Oh, Joe, cookies. Oh no, I've said about Joe's cookies. Brilliant. You're always late, Joe. Yeah, she is always late. Never mind. You can come in and out of these sessions whenever time you want. I am here every day, 5 days a week. Well, apart from when Cheryl does it, of course. I'm here 5 days a week. Or we are here 5 days a week, should I say. 6 p.m. Now, you can come in at 6, you can come in at 10 past 6, 20 past 6, 25 past 6, doesn't matter. All these will be uploaded straight after I come off the stream to our YouTube channel, and you can watch them all back. There are now 27 of these sessions available for you, and you can watch them all back and dip in and find the ones that you like and get ideas of things to do and remind yourself of the good times that you've had. Right, connecting with my friends and family each week in a quiz night. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. Very, very good. Right, I think did we do the passion, Sgwrs, thankful, happy this week? Where would you go and why? Yeah, we did them all. So please do take this little session idea back to your homes with your family and whoever you're connected with. You could also do this session with your friends in the dreaded Zoom or other FaceTime apps or anything that you're using, whether it be Google Hangouts. There are some that you should be avoiding. I think House Party is one that you should avoid. But there are plenty that we could use. You could do WhatsApp, face video calling, and all those things as well. Messenger as well. I think you can host up to 20 in Messenger. So you can do this with your friends. All you got to do, in fact, if you have 5 friends, if each of you takes a colour and assigns a different topic for each of the colours, and you can play the same way, can you? But yeah, so you can do it, your friends do it, or you can do it at home as well. Good way to start conversations. If you're running out of things to talk about with people and it's starting to become a bit mundane or what have you, you can just set the topic. So there's good fun thing to do. So that's our Tea Tuesday tip. Tea Tuesday tip. You know, I like a snappy title. So our Tea Tuesday tip is the Skittles conversation game. And also, I've only eaten, how many Skittles do I eat? 9 or 10. They all do taste the same, Ellie. But I've got a whole bag now to enjoy. Right. Tomorrow's session. Tomorrow is Wellbeing Wednesday. We like a snappy title and Dempsey Youth Service. Wellbeing Wednesday. Cheryl is with you again tomorrow evening. And I know Cheryl's been doing fantastic on these shows and you've all been supporting her really, really well. So thanks for that, guys. But Cheryl's on with you again tomorrow. And I will be back on Thursday. Don't go anywhere just yet. Chicken and chorizo jambalaya. Is that supposed to be making you happy? All right. What was I going to say? Thursday, right. we're going to do our skills, learn a new skill thing on Thursday. I'm going to be on here showing you the live skill that I have been learning through the week. I won't tell you what it is just yet, but I will tell you this. My success rate is about 50-50, isn't it? Some I win, some I lose, you know. The clothes one was a failure, but the handstand one, yay. So who knows what will happen on Thursday. Also, the other thing I want to ask is, we are looking for someone to come on Thursday to do the film and TV review for this week. So if you are watching and you're thinking, oh, I fancy have a go at that, I'll do the film and TV review, then please do send me a direct message through either the Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp, or you can email me or whatever, all those brilliant platforms. The egg was the egg was a failure too. Thanks for reminding me of that, Gemma. Yeah, the egg was a failure, wasn't it? Hey, the egg was a failure for you too. So if you're wanting to come on to do the film and TV review, please do send me a direct message and we'll get that all sorted, ready for Thursday. So Thursday will be the challenges that and the skills we've been learning all week. So that was Amanda's challenge, learn a new skill in a week, or it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Learn a new skill in 4 days. Thanks, Amanda. And the film and TV review. And like I said to you, Cheryl is with you tomorrow for Wellbeing Wednesdays. And that's it for this evening, guys. At least I smashed in my head properly, says Gemma. Well, perhaps next time I will. Thank you all for watching and taking part. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd eto am cymryd rhan a gwylio'r sesiwn efo ni, fod yn rhan o'r sesiwn efo ni heno. Thank you very much. Hope you all have a lovely rest of your evening. And I will be back with you Thursday. So, lovely. Thanks. Oh, don't forget to buy Skittles or any other multicolored sweet things. Bye.